Digestive System. Gastrointestinal tract. Digestive System, GIT. The digestive system, GIT, is made up of the digestive tract, a series of hollow organs joined in a long, twisting tube from the mouth to the anus. Main organs that make up the digestive tract: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine also called the colon, rectum, anus. The accessory digestive organs. These organs do not form the long GI tub, but develop as connected outgrowths on the GI tract. Teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. Physiology. Inside the hollow organ's digestive tract there is a lining called the mucosa. Mucosa contains tiny glands that produce juices to help digest food. The digestive tract also contains a layer of smooth muscle that helps break down food and move it along the tract. Working of gastrointestinal tract. Ingestion, mastication, propulsion, mixing, secretion, digestion, absorption, transportation, elimination. Esophagus. The tube, in adults, 25 centimeters i.e. 10 inches long, that connects the pharynx, throat, with the stomach. The esophagus passes down the neck, pierces the diaphragm and joins the cardiac, upper, end of the stomach through lower esophageal sphincter, which normally remain constricted except during swallowing and prevent reflux of gastric contents into the esophagus. When a person swallows, the muscular walls of the esophagus contract to push food down into the stomach, peristalsis. Glands in the lining of the esophagus produce mucus, which keeps the passageway moist and facilitates swallowing. Stomach. The human stomach is a muscular, elastic, pear-shaped bag, lying crosswise in the abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm. The stomach is composed of 5 layers. Mucosa, the innermost layer which produces stomach acid and digestive juices. Submucosa. Muscularis, the layer of muscle surrounds the submucosa, moves and mixes the stomach contents. Subserosa, the wrapping for the stomach. Serosa, the wrapping for the stomach and is the outermost layer. Once the food enters the stomach, gastric juices are used to break down the food. Some substances are absorbed by muscle lining of the stomach. The other end of the stomach empties into the duodenum. The duodenum is the first section of the small intestine. The pyloric sphincter separates the stomach from the duodenum. 4 major types of secretory epithelial cells cover the surface of the stomach and extend down into gastric pits and glands. Mucus cells secrete an alkaline mucus that protects the epithelium against shear stress and acid. Chief cells secrete pepsin, a proteolytic enzyme, activates G cells. G cells secrete the hormone gastrin, which activates ECL cells. ECL cells, enterochromaffin-like cells, release histamine, which activates parietal cell. Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid. Parietal cells. Acid secretion. Enteric nerve system. Stomach acid secretion of parietal cell. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long, thin tube about 1 inch in diameter, and about 10 feet long that is part of the lower gastrointestinal tract. The entire small intestine is coiled like a hose and the inside surface is full of many ridges and folds. These folds are used to maximize the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. Liver and gallbladder. The liver weighs about 3 pounds and is the second largest organ in the body. The liver has many different functions in the body, but the main function of the liver in digestion is the production of bile and its secretion into the small intestine. The gallbladder is a small, pear-shaped organ located just posterior to the liver. Pancreas. It is about 6 inches long and shaped like short, lumpy snake with its head connected to the duodenum and its tail pointing to the left wall of the abdominal cavity. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the small intestine to complete the chemical digestion of foods. Large intestine. The large intestine is a long, thick tube about 2.5 inches in diameter and about 5 feet long. The large intestine absorbs water and contains many symbiotic bacteria that aid in the breaking down of wastes to extract some small amounts of nutrients. Feces in the large intestine exit the body through the anal canal. Thank you.